Picture this: Earth, ripped from the sun's warmth, flung into the endless, freezing black of space, destined to drift forever. That terrifying fate is the reality for trillions of worlds, and they might be the most common planets in our galaxy. Right now, as you're watching this, our solar system feels like the rule. Planets neatly orbiting a star. But what if I told you we're the weird ones? What if the vast majority of planets in the Milky Way are actually lonely, dark wanderers, completely untethered to any sun? These rogue planets are the galaxy's true ghosts, and their existence changes everything we thought we knew. So what exactly are they? Rogue planets, or free-floating planets, are exactly what they sound like. Planetary mass objects that don't orbit a star. They got kicked out of their home solar systems during the chaotic, violent, gravitational pinball game that happens when solar systems are first born. Imagine a baby solar system with dozens of young protoplanets all vying for position. Sometimes, a close gravitational encounter can slingshot one of these planets out of the system entirely, sentencing it to an eternity of drifting through the interstellar void. And some might have even formed on their own, like failed stars that never gathered enough mass to ignite. But here's the truly mind-blowing part. There might be more rogue planets in our galaxy than there are stars. That means billions, maybe even trillions, of these dark worlds are out there right now, passing between the stars in perpetual night. NASA and other space agencies are just beginning to detect them using a clever trick called gravitational microlensing. When one of these invisible planets passes in front of a distant star, its gravity acts like a tiny lens, bending the star's light and causing a brief, telltale brightening. These observations suggest that rogue planets could be astonishingly common. So what would standing on one be like? Picture eternal, pitch-black darkness. The only light would come from the faint, distant glow of the galaxy itself, a ghostly band of stars spread across the sky. There would be no day, no night, no seasons. The surface temperature would plummet to hundreds of degrees below zero, a cold so profound it's almost unimaginable. Any atmosphere would likely freeze solid, falling to the ground as ice. But wait, could they possibly host life? It sounds impossible, but there's a fascinating theory. Some of these rogue planets, especially the larger ones, might retain a thick atmosphere of hydrogen. This blanket could trap heat leaking from the planet's radioactive interior, creating a subsurface ocean of liquid water shielded from the cold of space. In these dark, warm oceans, life could potentially arise, completely independent of a star's energy, powered by geothermal vents on the ocean floor. This means the universe's most common habitat for life might not be on Earth-like worlds, but in the pitch-black oceans of frozen planets drifting between the stars. Just think about that for a second. The sheer number of these worlds also has implications for interstellar travel. They could serve as cosmic stepping stones or resource depots for any future civilization journeying between stars. They might even be the ultimate hideouts, invisible to telescopes unless they pass directly in front of something. The discovery of rogue planets forces us to completely rethink our place in the cosmos. We're not living on the standard model of a planet. We're living on a rare, privileged world bathed in the light of a stable star. The true galactic norm is a cold, dark, and lonely existence. It makes you realize just how special our little corner of space really is. Does the idea of more rogue planets than stars blow your mind? What do you think might be drifting out there in the dark?